Today we will discuss how to change a WordPress theme using the WordPress admin panel. First, log into your WordPress admin panel using your admin username and password. Navigate to the Themes option under Appearance tab. Click on the Add button in the top left corner. To manually upload a theme from your computer, click on the Upload Theme button and choose your themezip file. Here we are going to install a theme from the WordPress library. The first search for the theme, then click on the Install button. If your server asks for FTP details, enter your FTP details and click Proceed. Once your theme is installed from the WordPress server, click on the Preview button and check if everything is all right. Then click Activate to activate the theme. So we have successfully changed our WordPress theme in this tutorial. For more videos, make sure to subscribe Host Bella YouTube channel.